Hi, it's Sue here from Choosewellbeing. In this short video, I'm going to explain what Photizo red light therapy is, how people use it, and why it may be helpful if you're looking for a gentle, simple way to deal with pain and inflammation and your well-being at home. That's for you and your pets, by the way. So if you've been looking into red light therapy, you've probably seen that there's many different devices on the market, lots of claims and quite a bit of technical wording. So I've designed this video to keep things very simple and practical, especially if you're just starting out to explore whether red light therapy might be the right thing for you or your pets. Photizo is a handheld red light therapy device, and it uses specific wavelengths of red and near infrared light, which you apply directly to the area you want to support or deal with. It's designed to be extremely easy to use at home without needing any complicated routine or specialist setup. So people often look at Photizo because they want to support things like dealing with aches and pains, stiffness, muscle tension, recovery after strain, or general well-being. Some people are looking for support alongside their normal healthcare routine or well-being routine, and others want a tool they can just use regularly at home to deal with aches and pains that we have from time to time in ourselves and our pets, as I say. One of the reasons people like the Photizo is that it's just so simple to use. You place the device on the area you want to support, press the button and allow the session to run. The sessions are short, so it can fit into your normal daily life without feeling like it's another big job to do. So with Photizo, the idea is not to make things complicated. It's designed to be practical. You can use it while you're sitting quietly, watching TV, relaxing, or with your pet. So if you're treating your pet, you can just be in the evening or whenever sitting relaxing with your pet, or as part of a simple daily or weekly well-being routine. For people, the Photizo Pain Relief device is often the one to look at. It's commonly chosen by people who are looking for support with chronic pain. So think about arthritic aches and pains, stiffness, muscle tension, or general discomfort. It's a really excellent addition to your first aid kit. It's a handheld unit, it's portable, rechargeable, and very simple to use, as I say. You simply push the button and the dose starts. The pain relief model is CE marked as a medical device, which helps give reassurance it's been designed for this kind of therapeutic use, and it has clinical scientific evidence behind it. For treating animals, Photizo Vet Care's the popular choice. That's the one you need. It's used by professionals, pet owners, animal care professionals, therapists, and they incorporate it into the treatments they offer. And it's an excellent way to support an animal, a pet. So we talk dogs, cats, horses, guinea pigs, anything you can think of with any pain or inflammation that's going on, and on the skin as well as muscular skeletal pain. So many people would be looking at it for things like IVDD, older pets, stiffness in pets, sports, or animals who may need some extra support. So it's used proactively as well as after the event. There's also a Photizo silent vet care model, which is worth considering if your pet is nervous or anxious around sound, especially for rescue dogs, perhaps. It doesn't have the same audible beep as the standard vet care device. So for some animals, that can make the experience calmer and easier. As well as the Photizo Pain Relief, we also have the vet care and the silent vet care, as I've mentioned. There are other models as well. Different models are designed for different needs, so it's worth looking at the range rather than they are assuming they're all the same. But if you're unsure which one is the most suitable, please just get in touch before you buy it, and I'm happy to help you on a one-to-one basis. A question people often have is why choose Photizo rather than a cheaper red light device which you can find on Amazon, for instance. And it's a really good question because not all red light therapy devices are the same. They differ by their wavelengths, the light output, the treatment times, and how they're intended to be used. And some of the units out there just are not up to scratch, and the Photizo unit is a really top spec. The reason many people choose Photizo is because it takes away some of the guesswork. The device is designed for therapeutic style use with set treatment times already built in and a simple way of applying the light. You simply push the button. Photizo has been available in the UK for over 12 years, which helps give reassurance that it's not just a new gadget or a passing trend. It's extremely well made and it has a 2-year warranty on the unit and 1 year on the rechargeable battery. So instead of trying to work everything out yourself, you have a device that's straightforward, consistent and well established. I need to point out that Photizo is not a replacement for medical or vet advice. So if you or your pet has a new unexplained serious or worsening condition, always speak to a qualified healthcare professional or a vet. Red light therapy is a helpful support, but it should be used with common sense. As a simple guide, Photizo Pain Relief is usually the device to look at for people when dealing with chronic pain. Photizo Vet Care is the device to look at for animals. Silent vet care may be the better option for pets who are nervous around sound. There are also other Photizo models available. It's worth checking the range before you buy. The reason I like Photizo is because it's very easy to use. It's suitable for home use. You don't need any training. It's not complicated. You simply take it, press the button, apply the dose. You do not need to be technical. You do not need to spend ages trying to work out how to use it. For many people and pet owners, that simplicity really matters. If you'd like to find out more, you can visit my Choosewellbeing website. You can see the link in the description and have a look at my information blogs and look at the Photizo range. I've also got other videos on my YouTube channel that you can check out. And if you're unsure which device is most suitable, please drop me an email. I'm always happy to help you choose the right option. Thanks for watching. I hope this has helped you understand Photizo red light therapy a little more clearly in this simple guide. If you found it useful, you can subscribe to this channel for more videos about red light therapy, wellbeing products and gentle support for people and pets. Thanks for watching.